press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss any update from Indian Wikimedia. You're live. Hi Sameer, welcome to Indian Wikimedia.
Hi everybody.
How are you?
Hi, it's Kabir. It's a baby T-Rex or a Papa T-Rex? He's the Papa T-Rex, I'm the baby T-Rex. Let's make the sound. One. We scared them all. Hi guys.
Hi, how are you?
We're great. We're chilling at home. Are we having a good time? Yeah? Yeah, we're having a good time. We're chilling. We're relaxing at home. It's time to go out to play for Kabir and his friends. But right now he had a camera, this thing to do, so he stayed back with us there.
Okay, how's your bonding with your family? Please tell us. Please tell your fans.
We're great. This is what I do when I'm not working. I'm at home. I'm chilling with this little monkey. And there's another little monkey upstairs called Sarah, my baby girl. And we have a great time. We become dinosaurs. We become the Hulk sometimes, right, Cabs? How does the Hulk make the face? The Hulk, the Batman, we're all superheroes. We go become T-Rexes, which is our current immediate one. Yeah, Kabir is saying the same. Then we go out to play areas, we have a lot of good times, and lots of holidays as well. So this is what I'm doing at home.
Okay. You recently shot for the web series, so please tell your fans about it.
Yeah, I shot for 3 of them actually. I just, yes, Kabir, he's not seen them, but he knows that I go shooting. I shot for Kar Le Tu Bhi Mohabbat, which just came out a few days back.
Yes.
And great response. Good to be back with the old team of Ram and Sakshi. It was a lot of fun working with them on Bade Achhe Lagte Hain, which was I think 3-4 years back, and my first time on television. So it was great to get the love and feedback I got back then, and to come back into it once again on a digital platform. Different kind of a story, the same magic. It was a lot of fun. So good response till now, and I'm happy people are liking the role of me as Palash, as the cutthroat lawyer.
Okay, and how was your bond with the entire team there?
It was great. Kabir also came on set to watch the shooting. Remember, came to set to watch shooting? Yeah, he did. He's a monkey. It was great. Sakshi, Ram, great guys, great actors. Of course, my director Muzammil, and didn't feel like I'd left the show at any point. We just started off from the same place we left off. So the same fun in the vanity vans, the same leg pulling, the same late hours of work, the same high voltage drama, the same grumbling occasionally at times, bickering, wondering what are we doing, why aren't we doing it this way, and trying to find logic in everything that we do. But yeah, long nights and a lot of intensity when it came down to the scenes. So when I see it at the end, and I must tell you, when I saw it at the end, it didn't seem like it's going to look the way it did. So I think hats off to the entire team.
Okay, so we have few of your fans. We'll chat with them.
Okay.
So Pinky Bafna is saying, hi sir, how are you?
Hi Pinky, how's it going? Can you say hi Pinky? Hi Pinky, this is the pinky finger, right? This is the pinky finger? That's the pinky finger. Pinky, this one's for you, the pinky finger.
Okay, so actress Rishina Gandhari, she's saying, please tell him I really like his voice and his kid is super cute.
Isn't he? See, somebody there is saying you're super cute. Say thank you. Okay, thank you. Thank you for the compliment of my voice. It's actually been given to me by my dad. If you hear his voice, I'm not a patch.
Okay, so Chaya Sharma is saying you hi, and she's saying that IPL is returning. So can you tell us a little bit about it and how excited are you?
I'm always happy when the IPL comes. It's a great time of the year. I've done 10 years of it, and 10 years of it, and it's been a wonderful 10 years. It's of course now gone to start. So I don't know whether I'll be back on it this time with full swing and being on the anchor's chair. But if I'm not on the anchor's chair, I'll be sitting on my sofa chair and watching it for sure. So excited about it as always. I think Rajasthan and Chennai have come back. Some new teams have been formed. So a lot of players, Adda Vaddi kafi hui hai. I think it'll be interesting to see which way the tournament pans out. But every year, this is the time where people rejoice, have a good time, and it really is a celebration of life in cricket.
Okay, Reena Patil is saying hi, and she's saying that what is the motto that you live by?
I think just the motto is to be good, to be learning constantly, to spend lots of time with your loved ones, with your friends, travel. I think try following the pursuit of passion, where you can go and do different things, or continue doing the same things and wake up every morning and enjoy doing them. So that's, I think, and also travel lots, try out new things in life, experiment, meet new people. So that's all part of the game. What's up, buddy? It's a magic ball. Ooh.
Show the fans the magic ball.
Show the magic ball. Show the magic ball. Look at it, buddy. Look at the magic ball.
That's Kabir's magic ball.
Yeah, it is. Are you a batsman or a bowler? He's keeping us guessing.
Okay, Riya Batra is saying you should be there. We can't imagine IPL without you.
Well, Riya, thank you for that. It's been a great journey. You know, I remember 10 years back, I walked into the stadium. Yeah, sometimes the ball hits the batsman on the legs. It's the pad. It could be LBW.
Oh.
But to answer that just quickly, it's been 10 years and season 1, game number 2, I remember walking into the PCA stadium in Mohali. I hosted that game not knowing what I was entering into, what the IPL would be. And here I am 10 years later, having hosted this wonderful tournament. So, as I look on it, it's been a tremendous journey. And I think everything in life has a time for itself. If it continues, I don't know yet if it's going to be there or not. But as of right now, I probably want to just sit back on the sofa and enjoy.
Okay, so talking about the new teams, which is your favorite one?
Ask them. Ask them.
You.
You want to be the bowler or the batsman?
Oh, then
But-
Papa will be the bowler.
I'll be the bowler. We go back there. Go back there. I'll throw the ball. We go. Go back there. Yes. Been engaged. So excited. I mean, it's good to have Wani back for the Rajasthan Royals. As always, Dhoni, Virat. I can't go right now. I'm talking to people. Can I come in 2 minutes? Okay, can you go see what's happening there and come in 2 minutes? Yeah, go become the T-Rex. I just come. Works every time. Yeah, right there in that corner. Yeah. All the teams actually. I'm from Delhi. I live in Bombay. I love Bengali food. I love South India. I'm Punjabi, so I'm not saying this in any other way, but I'm too close to the tournament for me to have any personal favorites. I do like watching the underdogs go and perform. अच्छा लगता है कि जब कोई खिलाड़ी है जो या teams who have not done well over the years are coming and performing now, so that's good to see. Who will be the other batsman? Anybody who wants to play cricket, come over.
They can join.
Yeah, you can join us. You can be the other batsman.
Okay, so Grishma is saying, hi, always admired your personality.
Thank you, Grishma.
So Riya is saying that Kabir is too cute.
Kabir, they're saying you're too cute. I know that, isn't
They'll
it?
take you home.
No, say you can't. You want to go home? Saying okay, shaking his head like this. I don't know what that means.
Okay, so Priya is asking that what motivates you in life?
I think it comes back to the same thing as I said earlier. What motivates me is to do good work, is to be a good family person, be a good friend, to be good to others, be good to my own needs, and to move forward with a positive, train of thought. It doesn't happen very easily, but I keep working on it to move forward and to achieve goals. If I'm portraying a role or if I'm anchoring something, to do it convincingly so that it justifies me being on camera. So that's more motivating.
Okay, we'll play a quick game. So
No.
you have to give these answers in one-liners.
Can I
Okay?
Google?
No.
Okay.
So these are very simple questions. Do you enjoy your celebrity status?
Yes, of course.
If we come to your house and check your wardrobe, what would we find?
Suits. 10 years.
How would someone get your special attention?
By coming and saying hi in a nice way.
Name a worst place where you could get stuck.
Any traffic jam in Bombay.
Which TV sitcom family would you want to be a member of?
The one I'm watching recently, Modern Family. You know how crazy it goes.
Okay. What's your one annoying habit that you want to get rid of?
I sleep very late.
Okay, and lastly, what would be a good theme song for your life?
मैं जिंदगी का साथ निभाता चला गया. कहना बड़ा आसान है. I don't know. पता नहीं, कुछ ना कुछ तो होगा.
अच्छा, सॉन्ग की बात आई है तो we'll play a fun game.
Okay.
ये सॉन्ग से रिलेटेड है. I'll just tell you the English translations of the Hindi songs and you have to guess these Hindi songs.
अच्छा तो वो
Okay?
ठीक है.
हाँ,
Try
आपके
करते हैं.
फैंस अगर आपको मदद करते हैं तो मैं आपको बता दूंगी.
आप serious
वो
तक
आपके
मान लेना,
नहीं
ठीक है.
मैं आपको बता दूंगी.
ठीक
ठीक
है.
है?
Please guys help me. I'm very bad at this.
Okay, the first one goes like this. Every second this life changes itself. Sometimes there is shade, sometimes there is sun.
Every second the
Second this life changes itself.
हर पल.
Sometimes there is shade, sometimes there is sun.
हर घड़ी बदल रही है. Yeah,
Thank
got it,
God.
guys.
Yes.
Not bad. 1 on 1.
Okay, the other one is, shall I tell you or shall I keep quiet about the condition of my heart?
Shall I tell you?
Shall I tell you or shall I keep quiet about the condition of my heart?
कह दूं तुम्हें.
Yes.
कह दूं तुम्हें. Correct. Okay.
Okay, the other one is, drip drip fell the water and it kindled a fire, and when the heart caught fire, the heart remembered you.
टिप बरसा पानी.
Yes. You're fab and you were saying that you're bad.
Give me some easy ones, I think. Yeah. I'll give you some really disastrously tough ones.
Okay, the other one is, oh, saw a girl and felt like this, saw a girl and felt like this, like a blooming rose, like a poet's dream.
ये तो 1942 लव स्टोरी. एक लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा.
You have
One
to
of my
sing
favorites.
one line.
एक लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा जैसे खिलता गुलाब. ऐसा कुछ.
Okay, the other one is, what happened to your promise, that vow, that belief, the day my heart forgets you?
क्या हुआ तेरा वादा. Old school, man, old school.
Okay, the last one is, oh, this night, this season, along the riverbank, this playful wind.
I know this one. ये रातें ये मौसम नदी का किनारा ये चंचल हवा.
Okay, a lot of fans have said that you have a lovely voice, so you have to sing a song for them as well.
ऐसे मत करो यार. हाँ ऐसे क्यों कर रहे
अच्छा,
हैं?
बड़े अच्छे लगते का गा दो, because one fan is request.
चलो ट्राई करते हैं. 1 second. Stay there. Don't move.
Okay. He has some surprise for all the fans. Wait. Here comes the surprise.
So I'm learning, but कौन सा करें?
Any song of your choice.
स्लो करते हैं. लम्हे वो बात कोई न जाने दी कैसी रातें ओ बरसातें वो भीगी भीगी हारें वो भीगी भीगी हारें. सीख रहा हूँ तो थोड़ा भी.
Whoa, that was amazing. So Ritika is here. She's saying that when are you coming back on television?
वेब सीरीज पे आ गया हूँ. टेलीविजन में अच्छा हुआ तो वहाँ पर भी आ जाऊँगा.
Okay. Ria is asking, what is your favorite cuisine?
I have a toss-up. I am basically Punjabi at heart, so Indian cuisine all the way. And I feel there's a part of me that's Chinese, because I love Oriental food. So I could eat like a nice Chinese/Thai meal any second or third of the week.
Okay. Reena is asking that how you spend your day with your family.
If I'm not working, then I have to take the little one to school in the morning. First of all, it's a task to get them out of bed, because he every morning wakes up saying he doesn't want to go to school. Then to be part of that process, I drop him to school sometimes my wife does. Then pick him up, come back home. I have a few meetings. I have my guitar lessons, and I'm just learning right now. I go to the club, which is across the road, to get a game of tennis or squash, or go to the gym for a little workout. Come back, grab some lunch. In the afternoon, make it a point. If I'm not doing anything, there is to probably catch a show or two on television, an episode or two. Then in the evening, maybe go out to the park or to the beach with the kids. And evenings, yeah, just sit down with these guys. Hopefully they eat their food on time and sleep off early, so we can probably go out and meet some friends or go watch a movie, or I hook up my PS4, which I'm pretty passionate about gaming, so I game sometimes. So, and then going into night when I don't get sleep, I don't know, maybe read a little bit, hear some nice music, watch a few more shows. So that's a day of indulgence for me.
Okay, so Ria is asking, who's your favorite cricketer?
I grew up idolizing Kapil Dev, and I think I love, and I'm not saying I know I love watching him play. But of course, there's so many others. I mean, I've been very fortunate to have been right next to people like Sunny Gavaskar and Navjot Singh Sidhu, Ravi Shastri, so many other present day greats like Sachin, Dhoni, Virat. They're wonderful people, yeah. There's so much to learn from the way they are, not only with the cricket bat in the hand, but off the field when they're preparing to become those champions on the field.
Okay, Nirali is saying that can you share some relationship tips?
Relationship tips?
Yes.
Oh, wow. I used to host a show long back in the day. We used to talk about relationship tips and a little more. But no, I think the only way of doing it is that, first of all, find yourself a right partner. Do not compromise on that. No matter how long it takes, no matter what you have to go through. And then, be somebody who is not only, don't bend over the other way entirely for the other person's needs, but keep your needs there on the table and do as much as you can extend yourself to. Be yourself. Spend a lot of time with each other. Give a lot of space to each other. Do lots of things together and figure it out, man. It's a lifelong process.
Okay, Molly is asking how's your bond with Ram and Sakshi and how are they as a co-stars?
They're wonderful people. I think extremely talented actors, both Ram and Sakshi. They both have so many years of experience behind them. I've only done one show on television, which is Bade Achhe Lagte Hain. I've never done anything besides that, and I did that about 4-5 years back. It was a tremendous learning because I walked out on stage, on set, and I saw these pothas of lines being given to me saying, this is for a month, this is for a day. I said, really? Oh my God, where's the time to prepare for it? So yeah, I got to know them along the way, and they've been doing this for many years. Both wonderful people. Sakshi, I call her Badmash. She's a lot of fun. We crack up, we joke. She's not as serious as people think she is. She's any normal girl, having a good time. Can't work at nights. After 11 o'clock, battery huge down. Great daytime worker. Ram, of course, likes to eat. I like to eat, and we both crack up, laugh, gas about jokes, talking about gadgets sometimes, holidays, good places to eat at, and just pulling each other's leg on the set. Really wonderful set of people to be working with, and it's just there could be laughs, but the second it's like action and get ready, guys. Boom, magic.
Okay, Rakesh is asking who's your favorite actor?
I grew up watching Mr. Bachchan. It's like always grew up watching Mr. Bachchan, so that goes without saying. In fact, in school, Delhi mein, there was a guy called Verma. He's still a haircutter there. Who used to be right in GK2 M Block Market. So I used to go there and tell my mom I only want Amitabh Bachchan hairstyle. So in fact, my bachpan ke mere pehle 11 saal I had such a strong middle parting that sometimes when I wet my hair, the middle parting is still there. And I tried to get hair to cover my ears, but it wasn't allowed in school. So yeah, Mr. Bachchan totally.
Okay, so people are missing your son Kabir. So they are asking,
I know, man,
where
I'm
is
missing him too all the time. He's missing in action always. I think he's gone outside now. When they say attention span of a 2-year-old guys, it means that I want to get him back in. But I think he's pretty much kind of bored of this setup, so let's ask Jack. So in case he feels like making an appearance, that is Lord Kabir, he'll make his way.
Okay, so Mani is asking how were you as a child?
I was pretty alright. I was quite a frowny baby, in fact, what my mother tells me. I was quite easygoing. I was not, too much drama. I would like playing sports. I would love going. I was like outdoor kid. Again, not too cranky. None of the middle, yeah. I was happy-go-lucky kind of a guy. I think I'm pretty much the same now.
Okay, Asmita is asking what kind of TV projects are you looking forward to?
I don't know. Right now, currently, I'm just looking at. I honestly have not done too much of television. I've anchored lots of shows, lots of non-fiction, but I've not done too much of fiction on television. If you're asking in that regard, there are lots of. I'm really exploring this digital space. I've just done Kar Le Tu Bhi Mohabbat. I was a small yet crucial part of the test case, which was working with a childhood friend like Nimrit. It was a lot of fun, and I'm also doing the Sacred Games with Netflix, which is another exciting one to be a part of. So I don't know. I'm just really enjoying this whole new space, new platform for actors and directors to kind of this new medium that is taken off, and it's got so much freedom of space when it comes to the script, to stories, to acting, performing. So yeah, enjoying this currently right now.
So PI is asking what's the difference between the television and the digital space?
Well, one is the fact that you have different apps nowadays on which you can watch your shows on. You have stuff like Hotstar, you have Sony Live, you have Alt, Balaji. So if you're talking about the content being made in them, I think television has been made over the years with certain norms that are catering to certain kind of people, to a much more broader mass appeal kind of an audience. And your web space allows you the freedom to go beyond that, to be catering to not only what people want to see, but you creating content that maybe you would think people would find exciting. So creating something new for them. It's episodic. It's not infinite. There's a certain number of episodes that constitute a season. It could go into 2. It could go into 3. And if you look at it worldwide, I think it's a pretty interesting shift. I don't know if you watch shows on Netflix and Amazon, like Game of Thrones, Suits, so many of them, Stranger Things. It's just the scale of making them is massive. The way they're being watched across the world is insane. So I think this is a great new way the world is moving forward. Wi-Fi is become accessible. People, the phone screens are bigger and larger, like you're watching me on a phone right now. So yes. I think it's a great new platform to be able to create content. So television will always be there, and this digital world just kind of, I think, widens the audience to enjoy more.
Okay, so Surbhi is asking, which is your favorite series on the digital platform?
If you're talking about overall, I'm a Game of Thrones fan. I loved it. I saw Narcos as well. I like that. One of my first that I saw was Lost, which was very old, but one of the first series I saw. Sopranos, again, absolutely brilliant writing, great performances. In the Indian ones, I think I saw Inside Edge. I quite liked it. It was nice. And I'm thinking that you guys will like the one I'm a part of, which is Sacred Games, which is, it's a Netflix originals, and it's going to be really nice. But I'm a huge fan of shows that are made. Suits, again, I'm a binge watcher. When I start watching stuff, I finish it off. Like it takes me about 4 days, and I can wipe out 3 seasons clean. But I'm just like, either on my laptop or in front of the television, and I'm hooked onto it. So yeah, those are some of the shows.
Okay, so a final message to all your fans who are here to chat with you.
Guys, thank you so much for doing this chat with me. Though I do handle live television, I'm very new at Facebook chat. So I hope I've said stuff that you've liked, and more to cheers to more of these interactions, to more of us having fun. I'm going to try doing the best work that I can do, and I hope you like it. And if you don't, please keep giving me feedback, because I'm here to improve.
Thank you so much, Sameer. It was lovely having you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Take care. Bye.
Likewise. Bye, guys.